All right, day 5 warm-ups. Warm-ups number 5. Here we go. We're going to have addition for number 1, subtraction for number 2, 3, and 4, or multiplication, although 4 is multi-digit. 5, you're going to find the place value of the underlying digit. 6, round to the nearest thousands. Halloween candy for number 7. And number 8 is perimeter. 4 plus 3. 7. 5 plus 0. Good. I could do 0 plus 4 or 4 plus 0. 1 plus 1. 2. Excellent. All right, now we're in subtraction. For number 2, remember in subtraction you must start in the upper right-hand corner. So if you have 5 apples, can you take away 0? Yeah, so what's 5 minus 0? Good, Dalton, 5. Now, if you have 0, can you take away 1? So you're borrowing a group of 10. So when you reduce here, this now goes from 20 to 10, but over here in order to subtract, we take that 1 and we put it right next to our 0. So this reads 10 minus 1 will give you 9, and 1 minus nothing. 1. 4 times 3. Good work. So far, so good. And then over here, 4 times 3, 12 again, except for you're only able to put down your 2. You're going to carry your 1 because you have digits in the tens place. 3 times 2 plus 1. 72. Find the place value of the underlying digit. Every number has a decimal, so I know where I am on my place value system. The 9 is in the ones. I like that. All right. And then again, every number has a decimal. So this time it said round to the nearest 1,000. I need to know which number's in the 1,000. So ones, 5, ones, tens, hundreds, and 3 is in the thousands. What are our neighbor rules? Anybody? Addison? Okay, so 0 through 4 is keep, or the underlying number does not change. And if it's 5 or above, you're going to add 1 to the underlying number. And that's why they're underlined, because you're dealing with the underlying number, not the actual neighbor. So in number 6, the underlying number is 3. The neighbor 2 tells you to go ahead and keep the 3. What happens to the 2, 5, and 1? Excellent. That's a 0. That's a 0, and that's a 0. What happens to all the numbers in front of the underlying number? Stay the same. 6 and 2 come down, and then you're going to have a 0, a 0, and a 2. Oh, sorry about that. That was hard. Halloween candy, number 7, simplify, like items. Okay, let's pretend this 5x. Someone give me a candy. Reese's. Oh, we haven't used Reese's. Okay, Reese's. How about this 5x? But don't they look very familiar or same? Similar? They are alike. So I'm going to use my what I call my circle, my underline, my triangle, and my box method, and I'm going to only use those that are alike. Put them all in the same symbol there. So this is going to be a square 5x. So that's Reese's. Wouldn't this 5x be a Reese's? Yup, but I'm just going to put that plus in front of it. So 5 plus 5 gives me 10x. And I only do 2 terms at a time just so I can keep track of what I'm doing. And I'm going to bring down what I didn't use, which was I use this and I use this. Now, Tyler, if this is now 10 Reese's, can you add 2 more? Why not? We don't care about the numbers. right? Numbers can be add or can be like. That's fine. We have to look at the variables, or I should say, the numbers don't have to be the same to be like. We are looking at the variables. Is this x the same as this x? Yes. So this, in theory, is also a box. So we're just going to add that. What's 10 plus 2? 12x. How many got 12x? How many were pretty close? Starting to get it. Okay. You could have, but I was doing it, breaking it down. So, well, sometimes that happens. Number 8 is perimeter. What's perimeter mean to do? Which mean, what's another word? Add, yes. Count up all the way around. So right now, my answer is 14. 14 inches. How many got 14 inches? Nobody got 14 inches? How'd you get it? She put sevens. How many remember to put digits on all sides and then add up all the sides? Very good. So she did 7 plus 7 is 14. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 and 14 is 28. Or in other words, 7 times 4 is 28. So 28 inches should be your answer for number 8. All right. Good. Very good. All right. That's it on those.